And we all know that the golden rule of real estate is location, location, location. So how do you make sure you get the right house in the right location at the right price with everything you need? Well, you come take a look at this house. I'm Nancy Chapin with Windermere. Today I'm at 4602 230th Terrace Southeast in Sammamish, which is really on the south side of Sammamish, practically in Issaquah, super easy commute to I-90. Let me show you around inside, but I gotta warn you, be ready to fall in love.